Hello, welcome to our channel Natural Recipes. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, arthritis. Are you treating your arthritis the right way? Stay tuned as we reveal common mistakes and show you effective ways to manage and treat arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition that causes pain and inflammation in the joints. The two most common types are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is caused by wear and tear, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. Knowing the type of arthritis you have is crucial for proper treatment. Common mistakes in treating arthritis. Many people make common mistakes when treating arthritis, which can worsen symptoms or delay relief. Let's explore these mistakes. 1. Ignoring symptoms. Delaying treatment can lead to further joint damage. 2. Over-relying on painkillers. While painkillers can provide temporary relief, they don't address the underlying cause. 3. Lack of physical activity. Avoiding exercise can lead to stiffness and decreased mobility. 4. Poor diet choices. Certain foods can increase inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. Effective treatments for arthritis. Now, let's look at effective treatments for managing arthritis. Stay tuned. A comprehensive approach can help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life. 1. Medications. Anti-inflammatory drugs, disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, DMARDs, and biologics can help manage symptoms. 2. Physical therapy. Tailored exercises can improve joint function and reduce pain. 3. Lifestyle changes. Incorporating a healthy diet and regular exercise can significantly impact arthritis management. 4. Alternative therapies. Acupuncture, massage, and herbal supplements can provide additional relief. The role of diet in managing arthritis. Diet plays a crucial role in managing arthritis. Let's explore some foods that can help reduce inflammation and those you should avoid. Foods to include: omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. These can reduce inflammation. Antioxidant-rich foods, berries, leafy greens, and nuts help combat oxidative stress. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Foods to avoid: processed foods, high in trans fats and sugar, which can increase inflammation. Red meat, linked to higher levels of inflammation markers. Sugary beverages can exacerbate symptoms and contribute to weight gain. Importance of exercise. Regular exercise is essential for managing arthritis. It helps maintain joint function, reduces stiffness, and improves overall well-being. Here are some recommended exercises. 1. Low-impact aerobics. Swimming, cycling, and walking are great for joint health. 2. Strength training. Building muscle can support and protect joints. 3. Flexibility exercises. Yoga and stretching can improve range of motion. Alternative therapies can complement traditional treatments and provide additional relief. Some popular options include 1. Acupuncture may help reduce pain and improve function. 2. Massage therapy can alleviate pain and improve circulation. 3. Herbal supplements, ginger, turmeric, and boswellia are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Thank you for watching. Managing arthritis requires a comprehensive approach that includes medication, physical therapy, lifestyle changes, and possibly alternative therapies. Remember, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Until next video.